Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing another collab video. It's my monthly collab with Jessica from Jessica MyRose, and this time we're doing monthly favorites. So monthly favorites can be anything and everything under the sun. If you are a fellow creator, contact Jessica MyRose. I'll have her information in the description box below and join this collaboration. It's so fun and inexpensive. You basically talk about the things that you already have and that you really enjoy using. So it's a win-win situation. You get a whole bunch of ideas to inspire you about what is good out there that might be useful to your daily life. My favorites specifically are geared more towards travel. A lot of us have been on vacation lately, and so I had so many favorites that are unforgettable and that I just had to tell you. So if you want to know what my monthly favorites are, then keep on watching. Before we get started, I just want to say thank you so much to Jessica MyRose, who invited me in this collaboration. She is the host of this collaboration. She also has a channel on lifestyle, family, and wellness. So definitely check her out. Super interesting channel. She's a super sweet person and I just love her personality. So definitely check her channel out. Give her some love. With that said, let's get into my favorites. First off, these reusable shoe bags. So I got these from Amazon. They're like a set of 12, I believe. If they're still available, I'll make sure to link them down below. Basically, you know, they're drawstring and you just put your shoes in here. There's a little window in here that tells you what shoe is in there. And I feel like it's such a great way to travel with your shoes, and it doesn't get all the other clothes dirty. So in this way, I was able to like kind of put some of our shoes where our clothing items were without getting them dirty. So I love this, and it's very compact because it takes on the shape of the shoe. So I could like, you know, just squeeze the shoe in somewhere in the corner of the suitcase and it was good to go. And it looks like this. I have my shoe, Tom shoe, in here. This clear window is so convenient. It just helps me find the shoes that I want in seconds. And you know how when you're on vacation, you're always rushing. Nothing is where it's at. So you're always like, where's my shoe? Where's that? And this is so quick and easy. And 12 bags is more than enough for a family of 4. I mean, we didn't use all of them. I was able to put like 2 shoes in one bag for the smaller kid shoes. So it was very convenient. Next item, I talked about like comfortable work shoes in the past. And this time, this is comfortable sandals for summer. Guys, these Caslon puffer, oops, dirty. These Caslon puffer sandals are amazing. First off, I love the style. White goes with anything, like anything you could think of that you want to wear in the summertime. This pairs nicely. And what I love about this is the comfort. Like it has a very cushioned footbed. Everywhere is cushioned because of the style, like the puffer style. So it just feels like a big marshmallow around your feet. This is so comfortable. Everywhere is so comfortable. It is well made. If this sandal is still available, I will link it in the description box below, including the style name because I can't exactly remember. This is kind of like a step up to like flip-flops, right? I mean, very durable. I use this walking around all over Vegas. You know that getting there from one place to another will take forever. There's a lot of walking. And when I was wearing this, I did not feel any discomfort at all. Amazing. Next favorite of mine is by Delia Skincare, which is their balancing serum. I've mentioned this before in the skincare items that I bring with me on a trip. You guys know I have oily skin, and bringing oils with me are usually like the last resort. But I noticed that in warm summer weather, your skin gets parched and dry. So, or sunburned. Either of those two. Mine got sunburned. And this was a lifesaver, the balancing serum. This is all natural, cruelty-free, and vegan. And the ingredients are right here. I can't remember. I think there's sunflower oil in here. This is one of those oils that, yes, it will make your skin a little oily at first, but it absorbs nicely into the skin. And you know how some oils, I feel like, yes, they're gonna help with dry skin, but they usually don't absorb or give you that refreshed or hydrated feel. Do you guys know what I mean? If I put a moisturizer, I just instantly feel like, oh yes, it has quenched my skin. But the oils, most oils don't. And actually one of them was by Elemis, like some broccoli oil. That one just sits on top of the skin. It does not give me any relief or satisfaction. So I really don't know if it's doing anything. But this one, guys, this is where it's at. Dahlia Skincare. If it's still available, I will link it down below. Next item is a summer candle. This is by Bath & Body Works Strawberry Daiquiri. And oh my gosh. Oh, it smells so good. It's like a drink. It definitely smells like a strawberry daiquiri, and I just want to drink from it. If this was liquid right now, I would, but not really. So you guys have to have this as one of your summer candle staple. I mean, oh, it smells so good. It just fills the room. It has a very beautiful design. Like, it screams summer. It goes with my nails. Speaking of my nails, this is my next favorite. This is by Color Street. In its packaging, it looks like orange, but to my surprise, it's more like a peachy orange. Kind of like this, right? I love it. It's one of those nails that pairs really nicely with one pop of glitter, and it's the perfect summer nail. This is it. This is the only color you should be wearing all throughout summer. I'll put the color name right here so you guys know, but Color Street, it's the only nail polish I wear just because of the convenience of the application and use. If you are wondering what is Color Street, I will link the video here somewhere or over here, and it tells you what Color Street is about, and I show you how I apply them. So definitely check that video out in case you are interested. This one I got in my Ipsy bag. It's a Bogachi. Okay, the writing is so small, so I can't really see what the brand name is, but I'll make sure to put it right here or in the description box below. This is an illuminator brush. So look at this. I never thought it to be an illuminator brush. When I first saw it, I was like, this is the biggest shader brush I've ever seen. But when I saw the name, it says illuminator. So I used it for a highlighter. It does such an amazing job at blending your highlighter. Because it has a pointed tip right there, I can easily apply the highlighter right in the middle, like a thin line at the bridge of my nose. And then just the shape of it, when I use this, it gives me kind of like a oval, like a laying down oval, if that makes sense. It just gives me the perfect, most natural highlighter shape on my nose, and it makes my nose more pointy. I don't know if it's really doing that, but at least that's how it makes it look on the skin, on the face. So I really love this. Like, wow. I've only been using one type of highlighter brush, and it's by Morphe, but I think this is where it's at. This is gonna be my new favorite, guys. The last item in my favorites is, of course, the Terry's Corner lipstick. It's all over my Instagram. I went to Las Vegas, and one of the places that I wanted to see was the Bite Beauty Lip Lab. So in that lab, you get to create and custom make your own lipstick. So this one I named specifically Terry's Corner, just something to remember my channel by. It has the symbol Aries to represent my zodiac sign, and so I got to create my own lipstick, and my daughter got to create hers too. It's an amazing experience at Lip Lab, but you really have to tell them what you want so you don't waste your money. I went through about 6 iterations of the color. Like, I wanted them to mix a little bit more of the mauve, light mauve. I wanted to lighten the color. I wanted to make sure that there was a brownie undertone, because that's kind of like my signature base color when it comes to lipsticks. They need to have a brown undertone for it to be flattering on me. So yeah, I love this. I mean, it's a deeper mauve. I think it's perfect for the coming fall season, but in person, it's still very neutral and perfect for every day. So this is what it looks like. Right there, you can kind of see, right? Right there. It has a mix of like mauve and mahogany colors to it, so really love it. It has a soft matte like most Bite Beauty lipsticks. One thing to remember if you ever want to visit that place is that they are going to be separating their name from Bite Beauty, because Bite Beauty as a brand is pretty much closing. They're just going to be known as a lip lab that, you know, allows you to create custom made lipsticks. It's still an amazing experience even though it's no longer by Bite Beauty. I think I'm one of the last few that was able to get the Bite Beauty case, so it does say Bite Beauty right there on the packaging. My daughter has the Lip Lab case, and she got a more of a rosy gold color for the packaging. She didn't want the black packaging, which is fine with me because now we have both versions of it. The last item, guys, are packing cubes. Sorry, I was just kidding about the last item. I just had to share this with you. Packing cubes are a must when I go on vacation. It's a great way to sort all of our clothing items by categories like pajamas or underwears and undergarments, and it just made everything easier to find when we're on a trip. That is everything, guys. I hope you enjoyed my favorites video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews, as well as some unboxing here and there. So definitely check it out. Join this beauty community. Also, don't forget there's a playlist in the description box below with all the other favorites from all the other ladies that I'm collabing with. They all have different niches and different channels, so I think there's something for everyone. So definitely go check that out. Give Jessica some love. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.